Okay, so today we're going to be talking about graphs and data. Do you guys know of a time you do it every day and you may not realize it that you take data?
I play an online Pokemon.
Okay, what about something we do in the classroom in the mornings?
We usually write.
Okay, think about with the weather. What do we do with the weather?
We check the weather and then we color it exactly like a graph.
Yeah, so in the mornings you fill in a graph with data. So data is facts that are collected together about something. So your data that you collect in the morning is what? What do you write? Do you know? What do we fill in?
Data. Daily.
About what? The daily.
5.
All right, so the data that we do in the morning is the weather. If it's sunny, cloudy, remember that? Okay, so I'm going to write all the vocabulary we talk about on the board because this is going to be important in a little bit. We're going to play a game.
Will it be a fun game?
It will.
Will it be a math one?
It will. So data is facts collected together about something. So that something can be lots of things. So we are actually going to take some data here. So you're going to have to choose an option. Who likes ice cream in here? Just raise your hand. We have a few different options. We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and then this one has a question mark. So this one can be any ice cream that's not listed under chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry. This can be any ice cream you like. So I want you to be thinking in your head, what's your favorite ice cream? We're going to take turns coming up here and filling out which ice cream you want. So I'm going to make strawberry this purple color. So if strawberry is your favorite, you're going to fill in one of the ice cream cones. Chocolate, we'll go ahead and do brown. And then should we leave vanilla white? No. Well, I guess we can't because we have to show data. Can we do gray and you'll know what that means?
Yeah.
Okay. If we did white, why couldn't we tell?
Because we would know.
We wouldn't know when it stopped, right?
Or we could just put a cone on it.
All right. And then this yellow one means any flavor that's not up here, okay? All right, so you want to start? Come pick your color that you like, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, or another. Nope, come to the side of it. You'll be able to see it. All right, go ahead and color in your cone. And hand the marker to the next person. All right.
Does she have to hand it to the next person?
Be thinking in your head, what's your favorite ice cream? So does anyone know what this kind of graph is that we're using?
Ice cream graph.
An ice cream graph? What are these? What are these ice creams? What are these? Little pictures?
Yeah.
So this is a picture graph. A picture graph obviously uses pictures to show what you're graphing. So what can you tell we're graphing here? What does the picture show?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. All right, just do it fast. Do it fast, 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 fast. All right, on to the next one.
What color?
All right, go ahead, Jeremiah, come on up. No, on the random, just stick with the yellow color. Oh, here's one. We're going to stick to yellow on this one, okay? All right, pass it to the next person. Be thinking which one you want. That way we can get through this a little faster, okay? Which one do you want? Vanilla? All right, click it. Come on. There you go. Come on up. All right. Give it to him now. And you come up behind him. All right. All right. Go ahead and hand it. You like chocolate? Alright, go ahead and give it to Anslyn. Alright, Emma. Nope. Remember to put it straight down on it. Alright, go ahead and give it to Emma. Alright, come on up. Remember, hold the pen straight up, straight forward. There you go. Alright, go ahead and pass it. Carrot. So far, which ones have the most? None. Which ones?
Chocolate.
Go ahead and pass it.
Chocolate, vanilla, and
Those three are tied, aren't they? Alright, Logan. Now vanilla's winning. Alright, go ahead and pass it to Logan. Alright. Yeah. Alright, it's good. Which one are you doing? Strawberry. Alright, go ahead and pass it. Alright, come on up, Cameron. Alright, thank you. Pass to Cameron. Rowan, have you went yet? Alright, go ahead and pass to Rowan. This side. Alright, Rowan, go ahead and pass to okay.
You're trying to make her like chocolate.
No, just put it there. Alright, if you haven't went, who's next? Come on. Come and get in line. Which one's in the lead right now? That's right. How many is it ahead by? Alright. So while they're finishing up, what I just did, Cameron, turn around please. On the carpet. What I just did was I asked you a question of what your favorite ice cream was. So that was a survey. Have you guys ever done a survey where you ask people a question to get data? What did you do a survey on, Anslyn? You did the same one we did?
Oh wait, no, I did on my favorite color and stuff about me.
Oh. For other people, who'd you do it to?
My friend named Zoe and my friend named Logan. Where did that come from?
All right, so what was that we just did?
Dada.
Data, but how did we ask the data? We did a survey. All right. Where's the pen at? Okay, so let's look at it. Which ice cream had the most? Mystery. And that one can be any ice cream, right? All right, so I'm just going to put that as a question mark since that one was our mystery. And the mystery is just a question mark. Which one had the least?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And how many did strawberry have?
4.
Let's count them. 1,
Chocolate.
2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 right here so we know. Let's go ahead and count. Listen. How many did mystery have? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. You want to go ahead and count vanilla? 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6.
6. And chocolate.
4.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought y'all were starting at 4. I thought you were going to go 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so which one had the least? Looking at these,
9.
we know mystery has 9 and that has the most. Strawberry has 4, but chocolate also has 4, so
4
that's a tie.
4 plus 4 equals
Boys, pay attention, you're going to have to move a clip. Okay. So strawberry and chocolate.
You could do an S for strawberry and a CH for chocolate.
That is a good idea. I didn't think of that before. All right, so write about our data. So y'all are going to have a chance to do this in just a minute. You're going to have to go back to your table and do a graph. But right for now, what can we talk about our data? If we were going to write about our data, what did we find? What are some things you could say?
I learned how to count.
Well, look at our data.
I learned how to do that.
So what are some things that we saw on our data? What are some things?
Ice cream.
Ice creams, and you could say our mystery ice cream was the most favorite with how many? 9. And then you could also say something like our strawberry and chocolate had a tie, but they were not our favorite. Does that make sense? Can you give me a thumbs up if you... Who else can tell me something about our...
That it's like they're different kinds.
different flavors? Okay. Who can tell me something about strawberry? Who can give me something about strawberry? Okay, so did you see what he just did? He said if you add chocolate and strawberry, that gives you 8. So what, can someone tell me something about strawberry that you could write about your data? What do you know about strawberry?
It's yummy.
Okay, but it is yummy, but what can you tell about this? When you see that there's strawberry, how many people like strawberry?
4.
4. So, you could write 4 people like strawberry. What could you write about vanilla?
6 people like vanilla.
Okay.
So do you have to write the same thing as you just did? You gotta go sit down here. No, you're gonna make up your own.
All right. So now we're going to do a which sport would you choose? Okay. I'm going to show you your options. Okay. So, sorry if you guys can tilt your head a little bit. We have football, basketball, baseball, and then a mystery. So this could be soccer, gymnastics, cheerleading, tennis, anything that is not basketball, football, or baseball. Okay? So this time, I'm going to just ask you.
Football's gonna win.
All right.
No, you never know.
All right. So this time, I'm just going to underline the color. Okay? All right. So I'm going to start here. Which one would you... I'm just going to call on you this time and do it, okay? Okay. All of the football stand up. If that's your favorite sport.
It's also called soccer.
Okay. If that's your favorite, stand up. Raise your hands up high if you're football so I can tell. You got 3 of you? Jose, are you listening? Logan? Are you football or no? Okay then. Ready? Jose, are you football? Jose? Are you football? Are you football?
I signed up for soccer.
Okay, but which one do you want to pick? Football, baseball, basketball, or something else?
Soccer.
Okay, then just stay seated until something else, okay? So how many people are standing for football? 2. So how many would I fill in?
2.
Oh.
You said
All right. If baseball is your favorite, football can sit down and baseball can stand up. We have no baseballs. So how many am I going to fill in here? None. All right. Basketball. Basketball is your favorite. Stand up. All right. How many basketball do we have? 4. How many should I color in then?
4.
All right. And if something else is your favorite, please stand up. All right. So we have more. You can only stand up for one. So when I count you, guys, look. I'm gonna count, and when I touch on you, just sit down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, sit down. 3. Help me count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. So how many do I put in there?
13.
13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Whoa.
3 more into our whole chart.
That's right. So let's look at this question. Who had the most on our chart? The mystery. That's right. See, she just compared to our last graph. That also had the mystery was the most.
I said that first.
Which one has the least?
2. The football. No.
Let's look.
All
right.
Football.
How many does football have?
2.
How many does baseball have?
0.
How many does basketball have?
4.
So I'm going to write 2, 0. And how many did mystery have?
13.
13. So, who had the least?
0.
Which was baseball.
Sorry, baseball. Do B for baseball. I used to love.
All right, everybody listen. Now, I want all of you, you're going to go back to your seats. Well, what you're going to do is your graph needs to look like this. So I'm going to let you go back to your seats. We're not going to do the ice cream one. We're only going to do the football one for now. Okay? Go back. Get your crayons. Get your crayons and color in the graph just like ours. This is independently, okay? That means work by yourself. Quietly. Make sure that you color in your graph just like up here, okay? What? Rowan. All right, so this is going to be independent work, so quietly. Logan, I shouldn't hear voices, okay? Mason. This is going to be individually, okay? I shouldn't hear voices. Make sure your graph looks like ours up here, okay? Make sure you're drawing the same colors. Make your graph look like ours, okay? Okay, just keep going, okay? It's okay. It's all right. Okay, so why don't you mark that one out with a big, that way you know. Unless your eraser will erase the crayon. And it will. There you go. Are you coloring? Okay. You can just go over it with your orange. Are you done? Sit down.
Done.
You're done? All right. So go ahead and fill in which had the most, which had the least.
When you write about your dating, all you're doing is putting what you see into words. Basketball had 4 votes, while football only had 2 votes. Most of the children in my class like something else better.
Go ahead and do your data. Yes. Which one had the least? Okay, so look up here. How many did football have? How many did baseball have? How many did basketball have?
4.
And how many did the mystery have?
13.
So which one has the least? Baseball, that's right. So go ahead and write that down.
Where is, what color is that?
Just go ahead and do that one.
Just do B.
It's right there. And if you don't know how to spell baseball, it's on the side of your paper, okay? It says it right next to the baseball. So whenever you're doing your data, you want to write about what you see. So you could say something like baseball had none, or football has how many? 2, yeah. So when you're writing about data, it's not about what you like, but it's about what your data shows, okay? Hey guys, when you're writing about your data, you're not writing about what you like. You're writing about what the data shows. So like Miss Kennedy said, for example, you could say something like football has 2. You don't want to write what you like because this isn't a survey about ourselves. This is a survey about the class. Okay? So our data is about everyone. So make sure you're writing about what the graph shows.
Maybe you want to tell me how many people voted in all.
Good job.
Okay.
That's awesome. Your data is so good. Let me see. Okay. So which one had the least, Jeremiah?
That stands for football.
Okay. How many did football have?
Wow. 2.
But how many did baseball have?
Wow. 0.
So which one has the least?
Oh.
Yeah. Remember that even though baseball doesn't have any, it's still part of our data, okay? That's still important.
Do you get on this?
It's fine. Just keep going. You're behind. I'm going to help you. What's wrong? Just sit there for 1 second, okay? Yes. Good job. What are you going to write about your data? Go write your data. You can write something like, football has 2. All right. I see baseball has none. Read it to me.
I see baseball has none.
Has. And what is that?
Color.
Okay. All right. Good job.
Good.
All right. Miss Kennedy, can I get some scrap paper out of here? Have you done your data? Okay. Whenever you're done, close your pencil boxes so I know, okay? How you guys doing over here? Whenever you're done, close your pencil boxes, okay? That way I know. Go ahead and close your pencil boxes whenever you're done, okay? That way I know. Yeah. All right. What I'm going to do, guys, can everybody look at me really fast? Eyes on me. I'm going to give you a piece of paper, and I'm going to partner you with someone. And what I want you to do, I'm going to give you a word. It's either going to be a vocabulary word, picture graph, data, survey, or total. Do we all know what total is? We didn't talk about it today, but I know we went over it before in math. The total is the result of adding. So whenever Cameron said football and basketball together was 2 plus 4 equals 6, 6 was our total. So that's going to be added to a vocabulary for today. So what I'm going to do is give you a piece of paper, and I'm going to tell you and your partner which word you have. One partner has to write the word. The other partner has to write the definition, okay? Does that make sense? Can I get a head nod if you know what I'm saying? Okay? And if you have questions, just ask, okay? All right. Will you two work together? I want you to write the word picture graph. And will you write the definition for me of a picture graph? It's on the board. Okay? Picture graph, just put shows data with pictures, okay? You write the word picture graph. Okay, will you two work together? Will you come next to her? Will you do that? Will you write the word data? Okay. You write the word data, and will you write the definition, please? The definition is facts collected together about something. Okay? You write the definition, you write the word data. Write it big. Will you write the word survey? Will you write the definition of survey? Will you write the word total? And can you write the definition of total? Look, you write the word total.
I'm not allowed to be with him.
Okay, it's okay. You're not actually working together. And you write the definition that says the result of adding, okay? Will you write the word picture graph? Miss Beatty, will you help him with the picture graph definition, please? All right. Will you write the word survey? Write it big. Write it big, write it big. And you write the definition of survey, okay? Will you write the word total? Write it big. Will you write the definition of total? Don't write the word, just the definition of total. All right, come here. Will you write the word data? You write the result of adding. Do you remember what you're doing? What word are you writing? Write the definition. D-A-T-A. Okay? Write facts collected together about something. Will you write the word picture graph? And will you write the definition? All right, you two work together. You write the word total. You write the definition of total. You already have one? Do you have one, Anslin? Come over here. Bring your pencil box. Bring a pencil. You were writing data. You was writing. I didn't give him one. You have the definition of survey, don't you? Yeah, I didn't give you one yet, Logan. Write the word total, and you write the definition of total. And then, okay. Okay, if you'll do that way, he has a partner. If you want to write picture graph. All right. So whenever you're done writing, I want you to come show me with your partner. Stand with your partner in line quietly. Here. Who's picture graph? All right. That's fine. Leave your pencil box and go sit down next to your partner. Who's picture graph? Okay, go sit next to your partner on the rug. Okay, go sit next to your partner on the rug. Go put your pencil back. Okay, go sit together on the rug. It's okay, just listen. Okay? Sit down. Let me see. Okay, just sit down. You don't have to sit with your partner, just sit down quietly. Show me what you wrote and then. All right. All right. Total. All right. I want everyone to look at me. Okay? You girlies have yours? Okay. Fake me, you done? All right. Everybody look at me. I want you to take. Here, let me have yours since you have two. I want you to take it. Jeremiah, are you listening? You're not going to know what to do. Everyone take it and crumple it up. Just do it. Just listen. Just crumple it up. Make a ball. You'll see. Make a ball. All right. Now, from this half over, come stand right here. Come stand where I'm at.
We're having a ball.
And then from this side over, come stand and face them. Just listen. No, you only get one. Just listen. Here are the rules. You are not allowed to throw these at somebody's face, okay? We are going to have a snowball fight. But I want you to throw them in the air, so like this. I don't want you to throw them directly at someone, okay? I'm going to give you 30 seconds, okay? 30 seconds. Ready? Throw. Pick them up and keep throwing back and forth. Keep throwing them. Keep throwing. Careful, remember, throw up in the air. Keep going. Careful, throw them back in the air. Easy, Anslin. Throw them up in the air. Ready? Throw one last time. Throw one last one. And stop. No more snowballs. I want everybody to pick up one snowball. Okay? One snowball. Pick up one snowball and sit down. Pick up one snowball and sit down. If you have two, give me one. There should be one extra somewhere. Perfect. All right, I want everyone, eyes on me. Shouldn't hear voices. Open it up. Open it up and read it. Keep it in your head. I want you to look. If you have a word, look at your word. Shh, Logan, shh, listen. If you have a word, look at your word. Listen. And if you have a definition, read your definition and see what word it goes with. I want you to find a person who has either the word that matches your definition or the definition. Do it quietly. Ask around. What do you have? Survey. It's okay. Find your partner. Who has data? You have data? You wanna be? All right. Me and you go together. Quietly, find your person, sit down with them. If they're sitting with someone, they already have someone, okay? Hurry, guys.
Are these the same?
Yeah, but you need to find what goes with that. Shows data with pictures. So what is that called? She's with me. He's one. He goes with you. So sit down together. You need to find a picture graph. Go find a picture graph. Ask around right here. Ask around right here. Who has the word picture graph?
I have.
Okay, you have the word picture graph? Then look, does that go together? What is a picture graph? If you go together, sit down. All right. Everybody sit down. So the last thing we're going to do, guys, eyes on me, Logan, is you and your partner, I want you to read your definition to each other. Make sure you match. What is yours? So facts collected together about something. Does that match? We go together? All right. Everybody find their partner? Yeah? All right. Who had a picture graph? Who had a picture graph? Raise your hand. Will you read the definition of a picture graph to us, please? It's on the board. It's on his paper if you want to read it. Okay. What does a picture graph do? Can you help her out? Can your partner help her out? You can read it out loud for her, okay? Read the whole definition. High five. Good job. All right. Who had data? Raise your hand. We had data. All right. Will you read what data is? All right. Rowan. So data is facts collected together about something. Who has a survey? Survey? Anthony, will you go ahead and read it? Listen. Okay, last one. Who had total?
We have survey too.
Okay, that's fine. Who had total? Will you read it out loud? Who has the definition? Your partner? Okay, you have the definition. Will you read it? Total. And what is it? Logan? Jeremiah? The result of adding. All right, everybody bring me your snowballs and look to Miss Kennedy for instruction.